Are you ready to draw a cute baby duck in the polka dot cup together? Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. And let's start. First, draw 2 big circles for the eyes. Now inside each eye, draw small white circles for the shiny light. Then color the rest of the eyes black. Leave the little circles white so the eyes look bright and sparkly. Now let's draw the duck's beak. For the top of the beak, draw a small curved shape in the middle. To make the bottom of the beak, draw another curved line under it. On the top of the head, add 3 tiny feather bumps to make it look cute. Next, around the eyes and beak, draw a big round shape to make the duck's head. You can also add soft pink cheeks on both sides. Make its cute cheek a little puffy. Let's draw the body. Now draw the 2 small wings resting on the edge of the cup. Connect the body. They should look like small rounded shapes on both sides. Under the wings, draw the top curved line of the cup. Great! Then draw the round shape of the cup going downward. At the bottom of the cup, draw a small oval base so the cup can stand nicely. On the right side, draw the cup handle. Draw 2 small circles on the cheeks. Now let's decorate the cup. Let's add the polka dots. Draw small circles all over the cup to make cute polka dots. Wow! Look at that! Let's add some cute eyelashes to both eyes. Now it's time to color your drawing. Was this drawing hard or easy? And here is our cute baby duck in the polka dot cup. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.